Assalamu alaikum, friends. Come along. Muskan and Sarah are here to say, Bismillah, we start our day. Let's learn and laugh and play. Learning Hadith the fun way. Come with us, hooray, hooray!
Morning begins as Muskan and Sarah wake up with happy smiles.
Assalamu alaikum, Mommy.
Walaikum assalam. How was your sleep?
I slept so nicely, Mommy.
When we wake up happy and safe, what do we say? We say, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Very good, Sarah.
Blessed morning, food, family, joy. Alhamdulillah.
Look at our yummy food. It smells delicious.
I'm hungry.
Before we eat, we say Bismillah. But after we get food, what do we say?
More food, please.
We thank Allah, so we say Alhamdulillah.
Oh yeah, Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Allah gave us food, water, and health.
Alhamdulillah for the food.
A bright room with soft sunlight. Muskan and Sarah sit on a rug, playing with toys and laughing.
I like my teddy so much. Aww. And I love my toys.
Muskan, do you know who gave you these toys?
Allah.
So what do we say?
I remember. Alhamdulillah.
Good job, Sarah. Do you know what Alhamdulillah means?
I don't know.
It means all praise is for Allah.
So we say it when we are happy?
Yes, even when the day is a little hard.
Really? I didn't know that.
Because Allah knows what is best for us.
A calm bedroom with soft moonlight through the window. Muskan and Sarah lie in bed under cozy blankets, holding their teddy. Mommy gently tucks them in as the room feels quiet, warm, and peaceful.
Yes, my love. Allah gave us a beautiful day.
I had a happy day.
So before we sleep, what do we say?
I know. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Remember to say Alhamdulillah for everything.
Under soft moonlight, Muskan and Sarah lie cozy with their teddy, smiling peacefully as they say Alhamdulillah. Bright morning.
Hey! Alhamdulillah for my food. Alhamdulillah, I feel so good. For my toys and family too. Alhamdulillah, I love you. Yay! Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Thank
subscribe to Quran and Hadith for Kids.
Like, share, and for more videos, click the bell icon now.